Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you guys how to add ChatGPT search to Google. So what you need to do is head over to your Google Chrome, and at the top right you see settings, like the three dots. Click on that and then go to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, and then we're going to search for ChatGPT search, just like so. And this is the first one that comes up. We're gonna add to Chrome, add extension. As you can see, it has been added. So if I say paragraph on car and search for it, let's say change it back. Okay, I think the extension was mistakenly turned off. Let's go to manage extensions. Okay, turn it on. So you need to get out of Google at first and then head over back to Google and search for paragraph on car. As you can see, it automatically loads ChatGPT and gives you a paragraph, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.